Right, so I got some fireproof sealer. So now I'm going to start getting the smoke box together. So I'm going to fit the smoke box dooring. And then after that it will be the chimney base. Right, I've now got the fire ring in with 4 bolts with the fireproof sealer. Now I can go around riveting all the way around. Right, that's the smoke box dooring in. As you see, I've also fitted these 2 brackets. These will have some twisted brass going up to the canopy later on, where they're so close to the door. The rivet heads are too tight to do anything, so now what I'll do is I'll just clean up the chimney base a bit and then put that on some fireproof sealer and get that on, ready for painting. Right, that's the smoke box dooring in and also the chimney base. That's all ready for spraying with the fireproof paint now. But what I'm going to do first, I'm going to strip the door down and paint the door at the same time. Right, that's all the coats of fireproof black paint on the smoke box and on the smoke box door. Now it's got to go in the oven for an hour. Right, that's the smoke box all painted and baked on hard. That's looking really nice. This paint should go up to 650 degrees centigrade, so the gloss should stay on there nicely. Also there's the door, which has had all the paint on. Lovely. There's the chimney perched on it. That's looking quite good, all painted now. I still have to buff up the top part though. But all in all, I'm very pleased with that. Also, I've got the perch bracket all ready for the maroon paint. Please subscribe to my channel and join me as I build a 2-inch scale Fowler Showman's traction engine. Thank you.